Now you're going to learn how to ask where someone lives and how to say where you live, right? So let's see. So the formal way to ask someone where they live would be using the formal you. It would be vous habitez où? Vous habitez où? And you see in the pronunciation, I make a little connection between vous and habiter. I connect them in the pronunciation as if they were part of the same word. The H being silent. In French, we never pronounce the initial H. And the S becomes like a Z sound. So vous habitez où? Vous habitez où? Again. Now, the informal way to ask would be tu habites où? Tu habites où? And the answer would be j'habite, j'habite, j'habite à Paris, à Los Angeles, à Boston, à New York, moi, j'habite à New York. Très bien. Now, if you ask about someone else, a she or a he, for a man, you know, where he lives, where she lives, for a man or a boy, you would say il habite où? Il habite où? And same thing in the pronunciation, I connect il with habit. So the L is connected with the word habit, and the H, initial H being silent, you would say il habite. Il habite. Il habite où? Il habite où? And bit, it, I don't pronounce the E, but I do pronounce the T. Habite. No, il habite où? And the answer to that question would be il habite à Paris, à Boston, à New York. And for a woman or a girl, the question would be elle habite où? Elle habite où? So same thing in the pronunciation, I connect the two first words like elle and habite. The E and H being silent. The E at the end of a word in French is never pronounced unless it has an accent. But here there is no accent. So, elle habite. Elle habite où? And the answer to that question would be elle habite, elle habite, elle habite à Paris. Somebody even found the answer before I gave it to you. Like I said, some of you have already learned some French. Elle habite à Paris, à Boston, à Los Angeles, à New York, etc. So let's see if you remember what you've just learned. So how do you ask someone in the formal way where they live, using the formal you? How do you ask that? How do you ask that? So I'm with vous habitez où? Exactly. Somebody just found it. Vous habitez où? Yeah, I'm getting 2, 3 answers. Very good. So, and what would be the informal way to ask? What would be the informal way to ask? Tu habites où? Exactly. Very good. Huh? Bravo. Very good. You're very good students. Tu habites où? Tu habites où? And the answer would be, what would be the answer to these two questions? to vous habitez où and to tu habites où. What would be the answer? J'habite à New York, oui, like me if I say, hein, j'habite à New York. J'habite à, hein, j'habite, I live, à, it's for in, for cities. J'habite à Paris, hein, à New York, etc. Now, how would you ask about someone else if it's a he, hein, a man or a boy? What would be the questions? What would be à Guilford? Ah, il habite où? Fantastic, you're very quick. You're quicker than I am. Il habite où? Il habite où? Exactly. And what would be the answer to that question? What would be the answer to that question? It would be il habite. Oui, il habite. Il habite à Paris in this case, because the girl is pointing at the boy. And so what would be the questions for the woman or a girl? What would be the questions? Elle habite où? Fantastic! I already have 2, 3 answers. Elle habite où? Elle habite où? Very good. Now, what would be the answer to that question? Elle habite elle habite à, oui, Connecticut. Elle habite à New York. Exactly, hein? Exactly. Elle habite à. So, à, it's only for cities, hein? Because in French you have many prepositions which are different for countries, regions, states and stuff. So it's for cities. À. Elle habite à.